Hi friends, now we will start the learning about the item-wise stage mapping or routing feature in Finsys. The stage mapping or routing feature is meant to record into the system what are the stages through which this item will move in the production floor and how much standard time is allowed for the particular step. This helps in multiple ways. The first method is the system will not allow wrong stages to be done before the previous stage, and the system will also help in seeing what was the production and what was supposed to be the production in that particular time that was taken by the operators. So this step is very important. For proper production monitoring, we must have good stage mapping registered in the system. Now I will tell you how to do it in Finsys ERP. We go to the engineering and planning module. This particular icon, item-wise stages or stage mapping, is used for this purpose. In item-wise stage mapping, as always, we press the new button. Go to the ERP code. The system will show only the codes for which the stage mapping has not yet been done, so that there is no chance of a repeat stage mapping being done. Suppose we make a stage mapping for 5-ply corrugated box. We will tell the system what stages it goes through. Now the system gives us with two options. One, copying it from an existing item, or making your own stages. Copying it will have a facility of having a standard item and repeating its stages so that accidentally no stage gets missed out. Or in case it is a unique item, you can choose your own stages also. Let us first start with own. I go to this option. System shows me all the available processes that I have in my factory: corrugation, printing, die cutting, folding gluing, and finally sorting packing, and I press enter. System automatically fills up the screen with the relevant stages which I had selected, and the standard time set up in the master for this process is filled here. I can also fill up what is the standard time for production of 1000 pieces for my plan versus actual reporting. Suppose it takes me 15 minutes to produce 1000 sheets on the corrugator. I can also select here the machine which will be used as the preferred machine for the process. Remember, the whole process is not keeping things in mind only, but keeping them on the system so that we are not human dependent, but we are system dependent. I have shown you a screen where we can select the operations that are required to make the product from raw material stage to finished good stage, and the standard time for make ready and standard time for production of 1000 pieces can be fed in the system along with the preferred machine to register in the system what is the SOP, what is the standard make ready time, what is the standard production time, and what is the specified machine that the operator must use in order to get the correct output. The whole purpose behind this is system dependency, recording in the system what is correct and then following it for better production. Let us now see the screen one more time. I'll open it in edit mode. Suppose I open the first item. We have the stages on the left hand side, the make ready time, standard make ready time, which is one of the biggest reason for downtimes. People spend more time than what is allowed. So the plant manager, the factory in charge, will only be able to catch people unless he has the standards. The standards are set in the system once. Now, if the operator report more make ready time, more production time, he has something to compare with. So the standards are set by the management and the production team together to avoid wastages of time later on. Production is also recorded on these stages which complete the item from start to end. The whole point is putting it in the system and following it. This option is also printable so that in case we need to know what are the stages linked to this item, we can easily take a hard copy and put it into the file of the item for reference later on.